360 degrees action cameras are heating up again, and things are about to get very interesting. DJI is reportedly gearing up to take on Insta360 with its rumored OSMO 360, a camera that's not released yet, but has already made waves across social media. It could be DJI's boldest move yet against Insta360, the current king of the 360 game. But here's the big question. With the Insta360 X5 already out and packed with top-tier features, should you wait for DJI's OSMO 360 or go ahead and grab the X5 now? In this video, we're diving deep into both, comparing sensors, video quality, software, pricing, and everyday usability to help you make the smarter choice. Let's get into it. Let's kick things off with the most important part of any camera, the sensor. According to leaks and insider buzz, the DJI OSMO 360 is likely to come with 1-inch sensor, which puts it right up there with the Insta360 X5 in terms of hardware. For a 360 camera, that's a pretty big deal, literally. Bigger sensors usually mean better image quality, especially in low light. You'll get sharper video, less grainy footage, and a wider range of colors and details. The Insta360 X5 already nails this with its sharp, vibrant footage, even in darker settings. It also has a special pure video mode that uses AI to reduce noise and boost dynamic range. Great for night shots. If DJI can match or beat that, the OSMO 360 could be a solid pick for anyone who often films in tricky lighting. Now, let's talk video resolution. The X5 supports 8K at 30 frames per second, 5.7K at 60 frames per second, and even 4K at 120 frames per second. That gives users a lot of flexibility, whether they want high resolution or super smooth motion. The OSMO 360 is rumored to offer pretty much the same, so in terms of raw numbers, they're neck and neck. But here's where DJI might pull ahead, if it includes HDR video and a flat log color profile, both of which are rumored. Now let's talk about software and overall user experience. This is where Insta360 really shines. Their app is one of the best in the game, packed with features like auto-reframing, object tracking, AI editing tools, and super easy sharing. It's smooth, beginner-friendly, and honestly a big reason why Insta360 stays ahead in the 360 camera market. DJI, on the other hand, has solid app experience with tools like DJI Mimo, used for their other cameras. But they haven't proven themselves in the 360 space yet. We don't know if they'll upgrade Mimo to handle 360 editing or launch a brand new app. Either way, software is going to be a big deal, because even if the hardware is great, it won't matter much if the editing and sharing experience isn't easy or enjoyable. As for the design, leaked photos of the OSMO 360 suggest a compact, rugged look similar to the X5. It's got a matte dark gray finish with dual ultrawide lenses and a slightly different button layout and touchscreen placement. The Insta360 X5 is also tough, with waterproofing up to 49 feet and better drop resistance than the last model. Great for action-packed shoots. One cool thing about the Insta360 X5 is that its lenses are user-replaceable. That's super handy if you're filming in rough conditions. Whether DJI will offer something similar with the OSMO 360 is still unknown, but this kind of feature can really matter for people who need their gear to last. Battery life is another big deal. The X5 has a 2,400 mAh battery and even has an endurance mode to help it run longer. That gives you a good amount of recording time, which is super important for things like travel, sports, or live events. So far, we don't know how big the OSMO 360's battery is, or if it'll have anything like an endurance mode, so it's something to keep an eye on. As for storage, the X5 supports up to 1 terabyte of external storage, which is great for handling huge 8K video files. DJI will likely offer something similar, but it's not clear yet if the OSMO 360 will also include any built-in storage. Even a little bit of fast internal memory would be a smart addition and could help set DJI apart from the competition. Audio doesn't always get the spotlight, but it really matters, especially for vloggers and creators who film on the go. The Insta360 X5 comes with built-in wind noise reduction and pretty decent mics. Still, most pros prefer using external microphones for better sound. DJI is well known for its excellent mic systems, so there's a good chance the OSMO 360 will either have better built-in audio or work smoothly with the upcoming DJI Mic 3, which is rumored to launch at the same time. Now let's talk about one of the biggest question marks, the price. The Insta360 X5 is definitely a premium camera, and its price reflects that. If DJI wants to really compete, they might have to either undercut the X5 in price or add extra value. DJI's OSMO 360, on the other hand, is rumored to launch around July 2025, which is just around the corner. If you're unsure about which way to go, it might be worth waiting a bit longer to see what DJI officially reveals. If you found this breakdown helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments. Are you waiting for the OSMO 360 or sticking with the X5? Catch you in the next one.